Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off this rather lovely, in my opinion, Reliant Scimitar SE5a manual with overdrive. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine running action as well. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this rather lovely, in my opinion, Reliant Scimitar GTE SE5a manual overdrive for a spin. Lights come up as they should. Starts nicely, starts well whether it's hot or cold. This one, it has got automatic choke on it, but starts nicely, showing just under 84,000 miles, and as we've said in our other video, it had a comprehensive rebuild including galvanized chassis 20 or so years ago, and has seen very little use since, apart from recent recommissioning. So, handbrake off, into reverse. I must admit, I do find the pedal position on these with my big boots, the clutch and the brake are a bit too close together for me, but I think if I was wearing smaller shoes it'd be alright. Obviously Ford Essex V6 power, and it, character wise it's very much a sports car, unlike the SE6 model, the later one, which is more of a sort of a grand tourer. This feels quite a lot more sporty, possibly because of the manual gearbox. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The temperature gauge is sitting just below the halfway point here. Oil pressure at what are we doing, revs, 1500 RPM is 70 psi. All the gauges are working. And it really does power along. We'll put it into overdrive when we get out of the village. That cuts in and out nicely. Steers really well. No sinister noises coming from anywhere in terms of suspension or anything. It's really full of character. Not particularly quiet, but with that V6 soundtrack, do you really need quietness? Incidentally, I'm 6'6", and as you can see, there's plenty of room in it for me. Copes well with these nasty bumps along this road. About my feet. It does actually stop nicely, although I did lock up the rears then. It's because we've got a horse and carriage in front of us. There you go. It did stop nice and cleanly. Obviously no ABS or anything on this. I will flick it into overdrive in a minute. There we go. Into overdrive, which drops the revs by 500 RPM. Out of overdrive nicely as well. I really like this car. gently this time. Yeah, no pulsing through the pedal or anything, just all as it should be. Gearbox is nice, no synchro problems or anything. Hasn't got power steering, which some people might find if they're used to driving modern cars. The steering's a bit heavy, but yeah, it's not supposed to have. So there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. Right, quick video of starting up and running on this Scimitar SE5a manual overdrive. If I can reach the ignition switch. Running nice and warm at the moment. And there we have it, nice clean engine, very nice clean engine bay. End of exhaust on it, I think. Does run nicely. So, I think there we have it. Down in front.